Hello, and thank you for joining me on this guided meditation. Today, we are going to bless, balance, and align your 7 chakras. Chakras are the 7 energy centers that run up from the base of your spine, through the neck, to the crown of your head. Each chakra relates to specific organs, feelings, and behaviors, and can be visualized as a ball of spinning energy. By raising the frequencies of these 7 energy centers, you will supercharge your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. And when all 7 chakras are open and balanced in alignment, a powerful energy can run through them freely. So before we begin this meditation, make sure you're as warm and comfortable as possible, and ready now to sink into a deep state of relaxation. If you haven't already done so, close your eyes and let's start to focus on your breath. Take a few deep breaths in through your nose and hold for 2 seconds. And then a long exhale out through your mouth, letting go of any stress or tension you might have had. On your next deep inhale, imagine a ball of warm light traveling up your back, along your spine to your neck. And as you exhale, this ball of energy traveling back down the pathway of your spine. This warm, soothing ball of energy is bringing peace and relaxation to your whole back as it moves up and down in time with your breaths. Returning to your natural breath, feeling more relaxed, let's now focus on your first chakra. Begin to visualize a bright, glowing red light at the base of your spine. This is your root chakra. See the light growing brighter and stronger with each breath, grounding you and connecting you to the earth. The root chakra, located at the base of the spine, located at the pelvic floor and tailbone area, is associated with feelings of safety, security, and stability. When this chakra is balanced, we feel grounded and connected to the earth. Breathe deeply into your root chakra now and visualize it glowing red, a ball of warm red energy. Feeling as it connects to the infinite, expansive source wisdom that's already available inside you. You now have everything you need from this deeply grounding, life force energy, recharging your root chakra. As you breathe in, empowering you with the knowledge that you are safe, secure, and completely relaxed in this present moment. This energy center is our base and where we derive our safety. Deep roots connect us to our inner foundations, feeling the earth's deep embrace. Breathe deeply into the base of your spine as this energy center glows stronger and bigger in a warm red ball of energy. Allow it to ground you spiritually and to relax into a deep sense of relaxation. Let your root take what it needs. This red light glows strongly now, feeling fully healed, balanced, and open to receiving all the energy you need here. Move your attention up to the next energy center, to your lower abdomen, located just below your belly button in the center of your body. And visualize a vibrant orange light there. This is your sacral chakra of emotional intelligence, choice, and pleasure. Taking in the nourishment and life force energy as you breathe in, balancing and motivating. Your sacral chakra emits a beautiful orange glow. As you breathe into this chakra, feel the vibrant orange light expand and swell. This luminous orange light grows stronger and expands across your abdomen and lower back. Every breath you take in softens and expands as your sacral chakra is fully strengthened, aligned, and full of positive energy, filling you with creativity, vitality, and passion. Next, your focus and awareness travels up your spine, further to your upper abdomen, finding the solar plexus chakra. This chakra is associated with self-confidence, personal power, and motivation. Take a deep breath into your upper abdomen and visualize a bright yellow light there. When this chakra is balanced, we feel a sense of inner strength and resilience. Whatever you sense right now, let your breath flow freely into this chakra as it glows a beautiful yellow light. Take a few more breaths into this solar plexus chakra as it fills you with self-esteem. See the light expanding and growing brighter, filling you with even more confidence and personal power. Move your attention now upwards to your heart center, located in the center of your chest, and visualize a soft green light there. This is your heart chakra. Inhale and exhale into your heart chakra, See the light expanding and growing brighter, filling you with love and compassion for yourself and others. As you breathe into your heart chakra, visualize this green ball of light growing brighter, connecting to the universal limitless energy already inside of you, always available whenever you need it. Continue to breathe in and out directly into your heart center, as a wave of deep inner peace and harmony floods your entire upper body. The light expanding, glowing a beautiful, vibrant green. Your heart chakra is now fully healed and aligned with the rest of your body, filled with love, gratitude, and fulfillment for everything in your life. When you're ready, move your focus upwards to your throat chakra. Located in your throat, visualize a bright blue light there. Breathe into your throat chakra and see the blue light expanding and growing brighter as you connect to your limitless power inside of you. As you continue to inhale into your throat chakra, you are becoming one with your most authentic, truest self. Empowered with clear communication and creativity. Continue to breathe naturally. The blue light is now shining brightly, and your throat chakra is fully healed and balanced and everything you need. You feel able to express yourself freely and with absolute confidence. Move your attention now up to the center of your forehead. Here is your third eye chakra. Visualize a deep indigo light there. As you inhale, feel your breath expanding inside your head as a wave of warm energy moves upwards. Breathing into your third eye chakra, see the light expanding and growing brighter, filling you with infinite intuition and spiritual wisdom that's already inside of you. As you continue to breathe naturally, put all your focus into your third eye, as this chakra becomes healed, balanced, and a sense of absolute clarity and inner knowing surfaces within you. The beautiful indigo light is now glowing brightly in the center of your forehead, expanding further, filling you with blissful inner peace at your core. Continue to focus on your third eye and the indigo light as you connect with your truest, highest self. Finally, move your attention to the crown of your head and visualize a radiant white or violet light there. This is the crown chakra. See the light expanding and growing brighter, connecting you to the divine and the infinite. The crown chakra is associated with spiritual connection, enlightenment, and higher consciousness. Continue to breathe naturally, following your breath in and out. As your crown chakra glows brighter at the top of your head, you start to feel a sense of unity and connection with all things. All your chakras are now aligned perfectly in balance, and your crown chakra can connect to the divine, spiritual consciousness that lives inside of you. Take a few more deep breaths and imagine all 7 chakras glowing brightly and in perfect balance. Warm, rainbow-filled energy radiating through your whole body. Feel the sense of peace and harmony that comes with a balanced and aligned energy system. Sink deeper into the warm feeling of physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. You are ready to navigate life with greater ease, confidence, and grace. Now, if you wish, just allow the following affirmations to deepen your inner sense of harmony and peace. Simply let them float in the back of your consciousness as you bathe in relaxation. I am filled with deep sense of peace. I am grounded and connected to the earth beneath me. I am full of creativity and passion. I have all the inner strength and resilience I need. I am filled with love and gratitude for everything in my life. I can express myself with clarity and absolute confidence. I am full of wisdom, ease, and compassion. I am in alignment with my highest self. I am worthy of peace and love. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and take a moment to ground yourself before moving on with your day.